On the first day, we have Blaise Bicknell in the first match, playing Jack Loutit. This match will start tomorrow at 11 o'clock. And 20 minutes after, we have Rowland Phillips playing Kiranpal Pannu. Is that right? Kiranpal? Yeah. New Zealand. That match will be 20 minutes after the first match is over. Then the doubles for Sunday, also at 11 o'clock, will be Blaise Bicknell and John Chin. Against Arjeet and Reynolds. And then 30 minutes after the doubles match is over, we have number 1, Blaise Bicknell, playing Kiranpal Pannu. And 20 minutes after the match is over, we have number 2 player, Rowland Phillips, playing Jack Loutit. The last thing I want to mention is, as a reminder, the captains can change the doubles nomination on Sunday up to 1 hour before, so up to 10 o'clock. And also, the singles number 3 and 4 can be changed if the captains decide to do so. All right, thank you very much.